Hello guys, welcome to Math City with Miss G. Today we are going to talk about parallelograms. In this specific problem, we are asked about multiple missing sides and multiple missing angles. Now let's analyze the given. PQ is 24. In the properties of parallelogram states that opposite sides are congruent. So if PQ is 24, therefore SR is also 24. The second given is PS is 19, and so therefore its opposite side will also be 19. The second given is PR is equal to 42. Now, PR is considered or called diagonal. Now, in properties of parallelogram, it says that diagonals bisect each other. What does that mean? It means that the two diagonals divide each other equally. So therefore, PT is going to be equal to TR. So if PR is equal to 42, dividing that into 2, that would make PT as 21 and TR as 21. So we're going to write that on the space. Now this time, the last given is TQ is going to be 10. And so therefore, that is going to be equal to ST, which will also be 10. However, SQ is the whole diagonal. So we're adding these two measurements, and that would make 20. Now we are going to be focusing on the angles. PQR, PQR, and so Q, which is the middle letter, okay, so measures 106 degrees. And so properties of parallelogram states that opposite angles are congruent. So if Q is 106, then therefore angle S is also 106 degrees. The next given is angle S, QSR, and that is referring to this specific angle, and this angle measures 49 degrees. And this, if this angle is 49 degrees, then therefore this angle here will also be 49 degrees. Why? Because this angle, the green angle, this angle, now I'm coloring it with red, okay, this angle is alternate interior with this specific angle. Now if we're going to do a quick review about parallel lines, if this line right here is parallel to this line, then therefore this diagonal that I'm trying to draw right now is, which is our diagonal, is now acts as transversal. So then therefore these two angles are considered alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are always congruent. Now we can find this angle here by taking the whole measure of angle Q, which is 106, and taking 49 from 106, which will give us 57. And so therefore, this orange angle is going to be 57 degrees, and its alternate interior angle, which is PSQ, is going to be 57 degrees as well. So we're gonna write here PSQ, which is 57 degrees. Now, moving on to the next one, we are given that the angle PRS. So this time it's this angle. Let's color this angle here with pink. So this angle measures 35 degrees. So if that angle is 35 degrees, then this angle here will also be 35 degrees because, again, they are alternate interior angles. And let me color this with pink so we know where we get that information. However, we can't move forward and answer the rest of the questions if we don't know this angle here and this angle. One thing that we need to know is to find the measure of angle P, because we don't know angle P. We also don't know angle R. But we can find that by going back into the properties of parallelogram, wherein two consecutive angles are supplementary. And what are the consecutive angles here? We've got angle angle P with angle Q. They're consecutive angles. Or we could also say P with angle S. So these two are also consecutive angles. So consecutive angles are supplementary, and so therefore we could do, to find angle P, we can do 180 minus 106. So subtracting 106 from 180, that is going to be 74. And so angle P is going to be 74 degrees, as well as angle R, which is going to be 74 degrees. Now that we have angle P or R, we can now find angle, let's color this with blue. So this angle right here, which is called RPS. So RPS is going to be 74 minus 35. That would be equal to 39 degrees. So then therefore RPS, which is one of the missing angle, is 39, and we're writing that in the blank. Measure of PQS, we already found that measurement, and that is 49 degrees. PQS, so that's 49 degrees, and QRS is equal to 74 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.